Have you ever driven across a bridge and wondered how much trust is built into the steel beneath your wheels? Or looked at a perfectly leveled landscape and considered the precision behind every contour line? These silent structures around us are not only products of technology but also of conscience. In civil engineering, quality control is more than a technical standard. It is a moral obligation. What does quality truly mean to you? Share your perspective below and join the conversation about the role of responsibility and precision in engineering. Engineering has always been a profession grounded in responsibility. Every calculation and every drawing holds the potential to impact lives. A single line misplaced or a number misread can alter outcomes for entire communities. Quality control is not simply about following codes or meeting requirements. It is the discipline that protects integrity, safety, and public trust. It is the unspoken ethical contract between engineers and the society they serve. True quality control begins long before a project is reviewed. It begins in the mindset of those who design. It means resisting shortcuts when deadlines tighten, maintaining accuracy when the workload increases, and caring enough to double-check even the smallest details. Quality control is an act of respect toward the craft, toward colleagues, and most importantly, toward the people who will one day depend on the results. Modern technology has elevated how engineers achieve precision. Tools like Civil 3D allow complex terrain models, drainage networks, and grading systems to be visualized with remarkable detail. Yet no software can replace human judgment. A program can detect an error, but only an ethical engineer can prevent one. The responsibility to ensure quality belongs to the minds and values of those who guide the work. Quality control also reflects the moral foundation of a project team. It requires transparency, accountability, and humility. Every professional is asked to hold themselves to standards higher than mere compliance. In this sense, quality control is not just about preventing mistakes. It is about preserving trust. The measure of a good engineer is not only in what is built, but also in the integrity behind every decision made. When done correctly, quality control becomes a culture. It shapes how teams think, communicate, and collaborate. It teaches that perfection is not the goal, but consistency and care are. Quality becomes a shared language, a quiet assurance that every drawing, every specification, and every approval carries the same intention: to do what is right. Within the global civil engineering community, many organizations are redefining what it means to uphold these principles. Some have built entire frameworks around continuous improvement, rigorous quality assurance, and a deep respect for ethical design. Among them, AXA Engineers stands as an example of how moral responsibility and technical precision can coexist. Through commitment to quality assurance, disciplined workflows, and a philosophy connecting professional excellence with human well-being, AXA Engineers demonstrates how ethical standards can shape practical outcomes. The belief that engineers should not only perform but truly thrive has created a culture where quality is sustained by purpose, not pressure. This mindset reminds the industry that true innovation must never sacrifice integrity. Recognition and achievement mean little if the foundation of ethics is lost. Quality control, at its core, is the bridge between skill and conscience, the force that ensures progress remains safe, fair, and sustainable. Every engineering project tells a story. Some stories are written in concrete and steel, others are written in the invisible discipline behind the design. Quality control is that discipline. It transforms numbers into trust, designs into safety, and effort into legacy. Perhaps that is why quality control is not just a process. It is a moral compass guiding every engineer toward the highest expression of their craft. Follow AXA Engineers to explore more insights about civil engineering outsourcing and the values that sustain engineering excellence.